Okay, so the first step is to remove the original lens. We just come down here, pry this off. I like to use something plastic if possible, but it's not mandatory. Reach in, grab the bulb, give it a twist, pull it out. That's done. So we'll set these to the side. The new Harley LED rear signature has the same shape, unlike the Custom Dynamics. There's no specification by Harley to remove all that dielectric grease, so we're not going to. We'll just put this in, give it a twist, twist this around a time or two to coil up the wire. Then we want to make sure that the hinge part is up. Then we push it in and that the drain hole is on the bottom. And the dealer warned me this might be really hard to fit, and they are. There we have it. So it's now in there in place. Let me demonstrate the difference. That's it.